Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something truly special, the Huawei Mate X6. This foldable phone is not just a device, it's a bold statement that redefines the boundaries of mobile technology. Huawei has pushed the envelope with its masterpiece, blending innovation, design and functionality into one cutting-edge package. In this video, I'll be sharing my first-hand experience with the Huawei Mate X6, exploring every angle from its distinctive and futuristic design to its impressive camera capabilities, top-tier performance, and feature-packed software. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what makes this device a game-changer, you're in the right place. So let's unfold the story of Huawei's latest innovation together. But before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. Let's begin with its design. At first glance, the Huawei Mate X6 is a visual masterpiece, effortlessly combining sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge innovation. It stands out as one of the slimmest and lightest foldable phone on the market, tipping the scales at just 239 grams. When unfolded, it boasts astonishingly slim profile of 4.6mm, and even when folded, it measures only 9.9mm. Remarkable feats of engineering that highlights Huawei's commitment to redefining portability and sophistication. The premium build materials amplify its luxurious appeal, making it a joy to hold and use. The aluminum frame is not only lightweight, but also offers a sturdy, premium feel, providing confidence in the device's durability. The symmetrical folding mechanism is a statement to high-tech engineering, ensuring a seamless transition between folded and folded states. The Mate X6 is available in 3 stunning color options that exudes elegance and individuality. The black and nebula red version are wrapped in vegan leather, offering a refined texture that's both soft and durable, while the nebula gray model features vegan fiber for a distinctive and modern look. Each color variant adds its own unique charm, catering to different style preferences and making the Mate X6 as much a fashion statement as it is a technological marvel. Let's move on to one of the standout features of the Mate X6, its display. Unfold the device, and you are greeted by an expansive 7.93-inch Huawei X True Display, a flexible OLED LTPO screen that sets the bar high for foldable technology. With an ultra-smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a stunning 2K resolution, every detail comes to life, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or multitasking. The screen's peak brightness of 1800 nits ensures excellent visibility even in bright sunlight, while its vibrant colors and sharp details make for an incredibly immersive viewing experience. This display is nothing short of breathtaking, seamlessly combining technology and artistry. When folded, the Mate X6 continues to impress with its 6.45-inch LTPO OLED cover display, offering both convenience and exceptional usability. Like its unfolded counterpart, the cover display features a 2K resolution and supports a dynamic 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. What sets it apart, however, is its remarkable peak brightness of 2500 nits, making it one of the brightest screens in its class, perfect for outdoor use. To top it off, Huawei has reinforced the cover screen with second-generation Kunlun glass, renowned for its durability and scratch resistance. This ensures the Mate X6 can handle the rigors of daily use without sacrificing its premium feel. Together, these two displays create a dynamic duo that adapts to your needs, offering the best of both worlds: a large immersive canvas when unfolded and a compact high-performance screen when folded. The Mate X6 isn't just about powerful hardware, it's a gateway to enhanced productivity and seamless multitasking. Running on Huawei's advanced EMUI 15 for the global version, this foldable marvel redefines how you interact with your device. Its multitasking capabilities are second to none, enabling you to drag and drop apps side by side effortlessly, resize windows to suit your workflow, and utilize the groundbreaking live multitasking features. This allows you to open and use up to 3 applications simultaneously, all running smoothly in the background, ideal for users who demand peak efficiency. The foldable display isn't just innovative, it's meticulously optimized for on-the-go productivity. Whether you are reviewing documents, managing spreadsheets, or joining virtual meetings, the Mate X6 adapts to your needs with unmatched versatility. For professionals, the Mate X6 transforms into a fully portable workstation. Huawei's app continuity ensures that your tasks flow seamlessly whether the device is folded or unfolded. Transitioning between modes is effortless, allowing you to maintain focus without disruption. The Mate X6 doesn't just complement your work, it elevates it. When it comes to photography, Huawei continues to set new standards. The Mate X6 features an impressive X-Mage quad camera system designed to meet the needs of both amateur and professional photographers. At its core is a 50-megapixel main sensor with a physical adjustable aperture, allowing you to fine-tune depth of field and lighting for perfect shots in any scenario. Complementing this is a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, ideal for capturing expansive landscape or creative perspectives. The 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offers an outstanding 4x optical zoom, bringing distant subjects into vivid clarity without compromising on quality. But the real game changer is the industry-first ultra-chrome camera, which excels at capturing true-to-life colors with unmatched accuracy. Whether you're shooting in challenging low-light conditions, capturing intricate textures, or aiming for natural color tones, the Mate X6 delivers stunning, professional-grade results every time. For videography enthusiasts, the Mate X6 doesn't disappoint. It supports 4K video recording with exceptional stabilization, ensuring your footage remains smooth and cinematic even during dynamic movements. To showcase its capabilities, I've included sample shots and videos below. Take a look and let me know in the comments what you think of the camera performance on the Huawei Mate X6. Now under the hood, the Mate X6 is a powerhouse. Driven by the cutting-edge Kirin 9020 chipset paired with a robust 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. This combination ensures top-tier performance, effortlessly tackling everything from demanding graphics, intensive games, to seamless multitasking. The device is designed to handle even the most resource-heavy applications without breaking a sweat, making it a great companion for both work and play. The gaming experience on the Mate X6 is nothing short of exceptional. The immersive foldable display, coupled with the stereo speakers, delivers a stunning visual and crystal clear audio, pulling you deeper into the actions. Say goodbye to lags and interruptions. This is a gaming at its finest, with every frame rendered smoothly and every sound delivered with precision. In terms of benchmark, the Mate X6 achieved an impressive score of over 1,200,000 above on the Antutu benchmark, solidifying its position among the top-performing devices in its class. Day-to-day tasks, whether it's managing multiple apps, editing high-resolution videos, or streaming in 4K, are handled with undeniable ease and fluidity. The Mate X6 doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them, delivering a performance that truly redefines what's possible in a foldable. Moving on to the battery performance, the Mate X6 houses a robust 5110 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage. And when you need a quick top-up, the 66 watts Huawei Supercharge has you covered, delivering 50% charge in just 30 minutes. 50 watts wireless charging and 7.5 watts reverse charging add to the convenience, making the Mate X6 a versatile companion. Now here is my final verdict. The Huawei Mate X6 isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement of innovation. With its groundbreaking design, versatile display, powerhouse performance, and stellar cameras, it stands out as a leader in the foldable market. With a price of 7,199 dirhams here in Dubai, the Mate X6 is undeniably premium, but it's a worthy investment for those seeking the pinnacle of mobile technology. So, is the Huawei Mate X6 your next tech obsession? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.